Students of BSc Part 1 and respected listener, a very good afternoon and welcome all of you. Today's lecture, dear students of BSc Part 1, I will deliver today a very special lecture on chemical kinetics selected from BSc Part 1, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, chosen from Unit 5th titled as Chemical Kinetics. Before proceeding today's lecture, titled I have mentioned on the blackboard here, factors affecting velocity of the reaction. Once again, before deliver today's lecture further, once again, let us focus our concentration on our previous video regarding to that is of chemical kinetics, in which we have explained about the fundamental definition of chemical kinetics, postulates of velocity of the reactions, distinction between velocity of the reaction and velocity. We have also delivered in our previous video chemical kinetics regarding to that is of dimension, unit of velocity of the reactions. In our previous lecture, dear students of BSc Part 1, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice to summarize of our previous lecture as such, in which we have delivered the various methods, formula to express, to write for velocity of the reactions, also the various types of velocity of the reactions, including initial velocity, average velocity, instantaneous velocity, and specific reaction rate. Specific reaction rate is also known as velocity constant. Before discussion of our fourth one, specific reaction rate, I will deliver today the factors affecting velocity of the reaction. First one, that is of temperature. Dear students, it will not be the sufficient to write, to say, to answer. My question to all of the students of BSc Part 1, what will be the result on increasing the temperature on velocity of the reactions? Most of the students respond in a single line. On increasing the temperature, the velocity of the reaction increase. But dear students, my query, I want to ask you one important questions. What are the phenomenon, activities, and important theory active behind it for increasing of velocity of the reaction on increasing the temperature? In our previous video regarding to that is of chemical kinetics, on the behalf of 4 phases, on the behalf of 4 steps, the dependency of temperature on velocity of the reaction can be explained. First one is step to express in our previous lecture based on various degree of freedoms of the reactants, translational, rotational, and that is the vibrational degree of freedom existing to produce kinetic energy. When kinetic energy increase of the molecules of the reactant, I mean to say the velocity of the reaction increase here. First one is step. Second one, is it possible to explain on the behalf of such scientist equation which explain the dependency of velocity of the reaction on temperature? You should also write down in second one step, that is of Arrhenius equation. Dear students of BSc Part 1, Arrhenius equation gives us necessarily and fundamental information between that is of velocity of the reaction with that is of temperature. The Arrhenius equation one can explain, I mean to say on the behalf of Arrhenius equation, the dependency of temperature of velocity of the reaction can also be explained. In our previous lecture, in our previous video of the chemical kinetics, dear children, the fundamental equation of RNS equation K is equals to A e to the power minus E upon RT we have mentioned in our previous lecture, in which on the behalf of K denotes C as that is a velocity constant which is produced from that is of velocity of the reactions. So it is the possible to establish the quantitative relationship between velocity of the reactions with that is of rate constant with that is of temperature here. In our previous video of chemical kinetics, we have also solved by taking the log in E base. We solved RNS equation as per concerning abbreviation of the concerning quantities. We have also explained in our previous video. Next one step, dear students, by taking the log in 10 base, finally the whole right hand quantity and left hand quantity will be multiplied by 2.303 log K is equals to 2.303. ln log will be converted into 2.303 for 10 base of log. When right hand sides of the quantities is now divided by that is of left hand quantities by 2.303, in such a position log K is equals to log A rest quantity we have minus EA upon 2.303 1 upon R that is of T in equation number that is of 3. Dear students, in second one phase, the third one mid, we have also explained the velocity of the reaction can also be explained by introducing of temperature coefficients. Temperature coefficients is also responsible to increase the velocity of the reaction by increasing that is of 10 degrees Celsius of the temperature of the reaction vessel, chemical vessels. In our previous lecture, when we calculate the value of velocity constant or rate constant at two different temperature T degrees Celsius, T plus 10 degrees Celsius, in such a position, when KT plus 10 is divided upon KT, in such a position it has been amazing or incredible results noticed in chemical vessels in which doubling of the rate of the reaction, the velocity of the reaction is recorded here. Amazing result. When temperature is increased, any systems, any chemical systems by 10 degrees Celsius, such a position, the velocity of the reaction, rate of the reaction is recorded as here double. The ratio of KT plus 10 upon KT is known as that is of temperature coefficients. Now let us come back on our previous log 10 base RNS equation from equation number 3. Let us proceed. Equation number 3, at two different temperature. Suppose 81 degrees Celsius of temperature, the rate constant is K1, and at that is of T2 degrees Celsius of temperature, rate constant is K2. Then what will happen when we substitute these values into fundamental RNS equation, equation number 3? Equation number 3 takes the new form. Here log K1 is equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon here T will be replaced by that is of 1 upon T1. Send next one equation number 4. Similarly here this log K will be replaced by next one that is of here log K2. Next one is equals to log A minus EA upon 2.303 1 upon R 1 upon T2. Say that is of equation number 5. In third one phase, it is also essential to introduce, to involve whether the graphical representation is responsible for changing for the variation of temperature with velocity of the direction, yeah, it is also possible. It can be explained by using that is of RNS equations here. Again, from that is of, in order to explain, in order to plot the graphical representation in chemical kinetics, let us try to compare the fundamental RNS equation number 3 with that is of straight line equation y is equals to mx plus c or y is equals to c plus mx. When we compare the fundamental RNS equation of equation number 3, you know here, equation number 3 here, you know here, this one equation number 3. Now compare straight line equation y is equals to mx plus c. Y is plotted as an ordinate, I mean on y-axis to have the value of log k. Next one, m here, that is of m is equals to, and is known as that is of slope here, minus EA upon 2.303 1 upon r. Say equation number that is of 6, negative sign, means this equation is produce the slope in negative form. Next one, when we compare straight line equation with that is of fundamental equations, x is equals to that is of reciprocal of temperature here, I mean to say here x is equals to 1 upon t will be plotted on that is of abscissa, I mean to say on that is of x-axis. Next one, quantity c is equals to that is of log a. This one equation number that is of 3. Now let us try to plot the curve between y is equals to log k and that is of x is equals to 1 upon t. Some important steps, some important thing students have to remember. First one, in which quantity graph will be plotted for the dependency of velocity of the directions of temperature by means of RNS equation. Second one, what will be the shape of the curve. Dear student, it is evident, obviously there is no doubt, it is evident from equation number that is of 3, RNS equation. When this fundamental RNS equation is now compared with that is a straight line equation of y is equals to mx plus c, a graph will be plotted here between that is of log k as an ordinate, I mean to say this point, this quantity will be plotted on that is of y-axis, and x is equals to that is of 1 upon t will be plotted here as an abscissa on that is of x-axis. I mean to say log k as an ordinate, I mean to say on y-axis, and that is of x is equals to 1 upon t, reciprocal of the temperature will be plotted on that is of abscissa here. Now second thing, after now it is the whole representation is known as that is a graphical representation. Now question raised here, dear students of BSc part 1, dear children of BSc part 1, what will be the shape of the curve, whether a straight line will be produced here in parallel form here, and it will jump, it will record, it will be plotted here from origin lowest to the highest peak points in the form of what will be the intercept and what will be the value of slope in such a position. When we screen, when we choose various quantities y is equals to log k, x is equals to 1 upon t, students get confused what will be the shape of the curve. In such a position, after the screening of the various quantities, after the chosen quantities, student confused. Dear students, you have to remember for the graphical representation in such a position, since here negative slope is produced here, dear students, graphical representation straight line will be produced here from that is the upward point to that is of downward point. It will not be the correct. Students normally plot this curve from origin to that is of origin point to that is of peak point. The graph shape, such shape will be produced in the case of intercept is equals to 0. We have to focus for the plotting of this curve Two things you have to focus here. Intercept C is equals to log K here. C is equals to log A here. Second one, you have to focus your concentration. Negative slope of the curve will also be considered here. So I mean to say the graph will be plotted from that is of peak point to that is of downward direction. Top point to that is of downward direction. In our next coming lectures, we will calculate the value of slope. Till then, thank you very much.